I hope it suits well for me. Okay guys, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. In this video, I'm going to speak about what is Lumen 5 and how to create videos using Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a video creation website which people use nowadays for creating videos, especially square videos, vertical videos and landscape videos to upload in social media like Facebook, Twitter and all. See, if you find it very difficult to create videos using editing softwares like Premiere, Eduse, Filmora like that, don't worry about that. Just log into Lumen 5 and create videos using that website. It is very easy. Just type your text, select your videos, whatever you want to do. From there itself you can change the fonts. If you want the video just a slideshow of images, from there itself you will get images. And if you don't want images, you need videos, you can get videos from Lumen 5 itself. You can search the relevant keywords, then enter, you will get the videos. If you're finding more time in creating videos in other softwares, then don't go for it, just create videos in Lumen 5. I hope you can create videos in Lumen 5 in maximum 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, I will open the Lumen 5 website and I will show you how to create a video using that website. It will definitely help you in creating more videos and you can even upload to your social media. Okay guys, so I already mentioned about what is Lumen 5 and the next thing is how to create videos using Lumen 5. The first thing is you have to log into lumen5.com using your email ID and a password, and this is how the dashboard looks like. Whatever projects you have created, it will appear here. Okay, we don't have to wait, we can go directly to create video. The first thing is when we click on create video, a page will appear like this. How do you want to create your video? If you want to create your videos by starting with a link, you can add any link here, or if you want to start with some text, you can add some text over here. Okay, I will add social media. Okay, then click go. And the next thing is video format. First thing is for Facebook, Newsfeed, 16:9 format, 1:1 format, and Facebook story, carousel ad, and for Instagram, Twitter, everything is there. And if you don't want to select all this format right now, you can skip from here right now. I'm going to skip it right now. Okay, select any theme. I will choose this text. Okay, this is how the timeline of Lumen 5 looks like. Okay, I added social media as a text, right? Fine. If you want any media, I mean if you want any footages or any photos, you can select from the left side, on my left side. Okay, what you want to do? Okay, if you want to select okay, social media, the pictures related to social media will available here like this. But in some photos it will be written like premium like that. Okay, that photos are actually for the upgraded members. If the members upgraded the Lumen 5 profile, they can select that video or the photo. For the time being, I'm selecting this video. Fine. If you want to check the preview, on the right you can see preview. That's it, how it looks like. And next thing is title, text, quote and no text. If you don't want any text, just click no text. Okay, and next thing is text position, where you want to keep that text. If okay, I will add it here. Fine. And next thing is advanced. If you want to increase the duration, you can increase the duration from here. Okay, fine. The trim option is also here, you can cut it as well. Fine. Okay, don't make your text so small, just add something into it. Okay, guys, I added social media courses at Bangalore. If you want to change this font, just go to the style option on your left side and you can see it here. Change the theme. You can select whatever theme you like. See, the theme has changed. Okay, Text color, you can also change the text color as well, highlight color, everything you can change. Font style also you can change. If you want to add music from here, every music is non-copyrighted. And if you don't want to add music from here, you can download it from Google or from YouTube as well. Remember, non-copyrighted music. And next thing is format. On which format you have to make this video. 16:9 is there, 1:1 is there. 1:1 is square format, 16:9 is landscape video. Okay, I will go with 16:9. Rest is all up to you. You can decide whatever you want. I'll go with 16:9. Okay, here video resolution is 480p. Okay, 480p. If you want to choose 720p HD and 1080p HD, your profile should be upgraded. If your profile is upgraded only, you can choose 720p and 1080p. For the time being, I'm using 480p SD, that is standard definition. Okay, fine. If you want to add one more footage here, just go to this plus sign, click that, new scene. Click new scene. Okay, I will type call now. And I will choose okay, this video. You see, in case if you don't want videos, you need only images. What you have to do is go to filter, unmark videos and editorial, then you will find photos. Okay, you will find all the photos related to the relevant keyword which I typed there. Okay, and the next thing is, if you have relevant videos and photos on your desktop, you can directly upload by going to uploads, upload media. You can upload it from yourself, and if you have a good video and photo, just upload it. And you can upload images and videos from Getty Images, and I don't think they're providing free photos and videos from Getty Images. Everything is returned premium here, right? So if you want, you have to upgrade it. And the next thing is GIF files. If you need any GIF style videos, you can directly drag into it like this. Okay guys, I hope you understood this. And the next what you have to do is, if you want to save it, you can save it. I'm just showing you an example for you guys. Okay, click finish, and this option will come, and click finish again. Now here you can see it's creating, 10 minutes remaining. After that you can download the video. I think after finishing the video, one email will also come to your inbox, like your video has been finished, like that email. It is taking some time. Okay guys, now the video has been completely rendered and it is able to download now. Click download video. It is downloading. After downloading, a mail will come to your inbox. Okay, this is what we created just now, social media course at Bangalore. And the next thing is, we added one call to action. A small cartoon bear is browsing through his phone, like that. If you want to add more GIF file, you can add more GIF files. And guys, note this point. At the end of the video, Lumen 5 will automatically add their credit like this. Okay, I will tell you one idea. If you want to get rid of that watermark, what you have to do is import this video into an editing software and cut that last portion off. There is no other watermark other than that, so there is nothing to worry. You can cut the last portion off by adding into a video editing software. Okay guys, that's all from today's video. If you want to try it, do try it. It is very easy. And in case if you are very busy and if you don't have any time for creating videos using an editing software, you can create videos using Lumen 5. It will reduce your time, definitely. I can assure you that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification from all my videos, and we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next video.